trying to learn kanji? Click the link in the description to get a free ebook and study along with this lesson.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Kanji time. Today we are going to review N for kanji. Let's go! If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. These times. These are the times that Okay. Then, this kanji means spring. The on reading for this kanji is shun, like in 青春, which means youth. 僕たちの青春. And the kun reading is 春, like in 春風, which means spring wind. Then, this kanji means daytime, noon. The on reading for this kanji is 中, like in 昼食, meaning lunch. 昼食の時間. And the kun reading is 昼, as in 昼休み, meaning lunch break. 昼休みに寝る. Then, this kanji means hot. The on reading for this kanji is 暑, as in 残暑, which means late summer heat. 残暑が厳しいです. And the kun reading is 暑, as in 暑い夏, which means hot summer. Then, this kanji means dark, shade, grow dark, be blinded. The on reading for this kanji is 暗, like in 暗記, which means memorization. 暗記. 九九の暗記。2、1が2、2人が4、2、3が6、2、4が8、2、5、12、62。And the kun reading is 暗, like in 暗い, which means
dark.
Then, this kanji means day. The on reading for this kanji is 曜, like in 金曜日, which means Friday. And 日曜日, which means Sunday. 月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日、土曜日、日曜日 for a week. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 春風。日曜日。昼食。暗記。暑い夏。Now say the meaning of the following words. 金曜日。Friday. 青春。Youth. 昼休み。Lunch break. 残暑。Late summer heat. 暗い。Dark. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. 暗いぞ! Bye bye!
Great work! Here's a gift for just watching. Mastering Kanji, the secret to learning 1,500 kanji. Get this ebook for free and learn to master kanji easily. Just click the link in the description.